Vicky here with you, and today I'm here to share with you an unboxing from YourCreativeStudio. They offered me to do another unboxing, and I just love their stuff so much that I just had to say yes, of course. It's like getting a little gift. Clearly, I love their subscription box because they're filled with goodies. So let's open this one up and see what it is. This one is the May subscription box. So, and if you haven't gotten it already, often they still have some, so go and check it out. Maybe you'll be in luck and there'll still be some available for purchase. So it's always beautifully wrapped like so. And let's see, I didn't check what the May one was, so this is going to be a surprise to me. Oh, so pretty, so pretty. So these are tickets. How fun. So ticket strips, but they're all pretty colors, and there's 2 of each of the designs and quite a lot. So really fun embellishment. It's a really fun embellishment for a small make as well. So there's some tiny one and some that are larger. You can see how the different size. So fun. Very, very pretty embellishment. So you can use the tickets, or you could use a full strip. And I would think that it would be really fun to put a sentiment on top, because they're all different patterns. So cool. This is some washi stickers. So I think the theme is tropical. So you see there's a toucan there, and then there's a masking tape sheet with pretty flowers. Oh, and then there's a little happy burning fire. So these are little flamingos, and I won't take them out because they're quite small. You can see they're quite small, and there's a lot of them. I don't want them all over my desk, but look at all the beautiful designs that are on there. Again, would be super pretty for a little make, which is fun because I've been into making smaller things. Okay, and these look like stamps. Stamp collection diary. So there's different designs of flowers, and they're really, really just like stamps. How cool. I wonder if you can peel them. They seem to be stickers. Yeah, they're stickers. Very cool. Would be really fun to use to embellish envelopes as well, if you're sending some mail out. Super pretty. And then I've got this, which is plant specimens. So a little pad of paper. So different papers, got some butterflies, some bugs, some birds. Really cool papers. Again, really fun to make some beautiful flowers. I saw some flowers here, like very pretty. I love the size, like it's really, really fun. Like when it's, because I like making smaller projects, just because you don't necessarily have time to make big projects, so small projects fit in perfectly with my schedule. So this is washi tape. I love their washi tape. So very pretty, pale color, neutral would be perfect for anything. Then there's some cling stamp. So I believe this is a toucan. Yep, and a pineapple. So definitely tropical. Then this must be a flamingo. Yep. So we've got a flamingo and we've got a beautiful leaf. Really nice. And then we've got a little box of stickers, I believe. Telling you, like, you're giving yourself a little gift when you purchase their subscription box. And here we go. There's a bunch of little stickers. They're little label type of things. Again, would be perfect to put a sentiment on. So there's 2 of each design. There's some tiny little ones. Little oval ones, little flower shaped ones. How cool. Love that it comes in this cutie little box. Then we've got these die cuts. Whoa. So little leaves or flowers. This looks like a little feather. We've got the flamingo, the toucan, some sort of, looks like a pineapple, more flowers, more leaves, more feathers. More beautiful flowers. Got some more toucan. I love the color though. It's not like one of those super, it's very soft and pastel. Like, you've got iguana. Oh, very pretty. All sorts of goodies. Makes me want to go on a trip to a tropical place. And then we have, what is that? Vintage year sticker flowers. So we've got a beautiful little pouch. And then within the pouch, there's all these strips of flowers. We've got some that are like stamps. These would be perfect for making bookmarks. That would be awesome to make some bookmarks. How cool. It's just the right size to make some bookmarks. Nice. So we've got those. And then we've got some beautiful paper. So this one contains, it's 24 sheets of paper. There's six sticker paper, 6 vellum paper, 6 art paper, and 6 pattern paper. Very pretty. Love the vellum. How cool is that? They're so pretty. Love, love, love the colors. Yeah, really, really fun time. Wow. Well, never get disappointed with the items from Your Creative Studio. So I highly suggest that you go and check them out. If you enjoy this, they always have gorgeous boxes of goodies, and there's so much of it. So much of it. And just stunning. So thank you again to Your Creative Studio for sending me this beautiful box of goodies. And I will be playing with some of these very soon to make. I think I'm going to try to make some cards and use maybe some of these beautiful embellishments for them. Yeah, and I might make some smaller things, but right now I'm really into the Halloween things, so this definitely not Halloween type of colors, but nonetheless so pretty. So I hope that you've enjoyed seeing this, and I will see you all very soon. Love you guys so much. Take care, and in the description box below, the link to Your Creative Studio. So love you guys. Bye.